Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 5 of our Dollar General clearance event visuals and coupon matchups. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so for those of you out there who are just now tuning in, we have a Dollar General clearance event which will start on Friday, March the 3rd and run through Sunday, March the 5th, which means we have a bunch of items that will be an additional 50 to 70% off. So to help you all get prepared, I have already uploaded a ton of videos going over all of the things. So just make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video. I'm going to have them all listed and linked for you right there. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and jump right into part 6 of our Dollar General clearance event videos. And in this one, we are going to be going over deodorant and dental care products. So you guys know the drill. We've got coupon matchups, we've got freebies, we've got overages. And I do want to go ahead and thank those of you all who have been with me all week long. It has been a crazy week, and I still have more information to put out. So I'm going to turn on a little background music. I'm going to go work on some more slides and coupon matchups for you guys, and I'll be back with y'all here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so we're almost to the end of part 5, and I just wanted to pop back in for a quick second and talk about the instant savings on the Colgate products. Now, on these slides, I have just put together some examples, but definitely keep in mind that you can mix and match if you would like. The instant savings deal is for when you spend $10 on Colgate, Palmolive, Suavitel, Irish Spring, soft soap. There's a lot included in this instant savings deal, but you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So no coupons needed for that discount. But I just wanted to go ahead and throw together a few quick scenarios for you all on the items that are included in the instant savings. That way you just, you kind of have an idea before you go into the store. But just keep in mind that you can mix and match. I know we have some Irish Spring included in this clearance event. I know there's also some Palmolive. So you can definitely come up with a really good deal, especially with these Colgate coupons. Now, before you guys click off of this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave a smile down in the comment section below, because as you all can see, these videos take a lot of time to put together, between taking the screenshots, making the slides, doing the math, finding the coupons. I mean, just all of the things. It's really a lot of work. So if you guys could, don't forget to do those 2 quick things for me. Hit the thumbs up and leave a smile down in the comment section below, because it really does help your girl out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.